Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME Narzo 50i Prime to an Android device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on REALME. Now choose receive on your Android and send on REALME smartphone. Then click on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select send over here. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to send and transfer them later on. It will take some time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. For example that one, choose send and click on got it. Now on an Android, tap on no thanks and close this window. As you can see, we have two connection ways. If you wish to scan this QR code, you can easily do that by clicking on this scanning icon on an Android, selecting allow or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. If you don't want to scan it, you can always input this key over here instead and tap on receive button. Now as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!